Understanding adverbs of degree. Slightly unraveled. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on adverbs of degree. Today, we're going to delve into a very common and useful adverb of degree, which is the word slightly. Like the spice in your favorite dish, adverbs add that necessary flavor to our sentences, and today we're going to learn how to use slightly effectively in our daily conversations and writing. Slightly is an adverb of degree, which means it tells us about the intensity, degree, or manner of an action. In particular, slightly is used to indicate a small degree or a small amount of something. It gives us an idea of something being a little less than normal or average. Let's take a look at an example. She was slightly late for the meeting. In this sentence, slightly is giving us information about how late she was. She wasn't very late, just a little, hence, she was slightly late. Slightly is generally used to modify adjectives and verbs. It is positioned before the word it's modifying. Consider these examples. The room is slightly cold. Here, slightly modifies the adjective cold. He frowned slightly when he heard the news. In this sentence, slightly modifies the verb frowned. Remember, slightly is used to show a small degree or level of something. It indicates that the action or condition is not intense or extreme, but rather minimal or subtle. Just like in declarative sentences, slightly can be used in questions and negative sentences too. Here are some examples. Question: is it slightly raining outside? Negative sentence: the soup is not slightly salty. It's very salty. There you have it. Now, you know how to use the adverb of degree, slightly, to add that bit of precision to your sentences, indicating something less than average but definitely noticeable. Keep practicing and try to use slightly in your daily conversations or writing. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on English grammar. Happy learning!